Hi everyone, I am Vikram from the Department of Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. Today I am here to give you a small introduction about cloud computing. First, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet, including servers, storage, databases, networking, analytics, and software over the internet to have faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scale. For example, we are using Disney Plus Hotstar in our day-to-day life. If we want to see that in a high quality means we want to subscribe for the high quality streaming. The software which are providing us for the subscription basis that are said to be a software as a service. Next, infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Next one is the platform as a service, provides a platform that allows developers to build, deploy and manage applications. Cloud service models. There are three types of cloud services models are basic in the cloud computing sectors. One is the software as a service, and second one is the infrastructure as a service, and third one is the platform as a service. Software as a service provides access to software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. For example, we are using Coming to cloud deployment models, there are three cloud deployment models are there. One is the public cloud, and next one is the private cloud and the hybrid cloud. Private cloud services are offered over the public internet and are available to anyone who wants to purchase them. And next one is the private cloud. Cloud services used by a single organization. It may be hosted internally or by a third party provider. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but it is both the combination of public cloud and the private cloud. Benefits of cloud computing: scalability, flexibility, disaster recovery, automatic updates. For example, if we put any files into the cloud storage, it will be automatically uploaded to the cloud. And disaster recovery. For example, if our system is damaged by someone or anything means we cannot able to use that system anymore. We want to move on to the another system. So if we upload into the cloud service means we can log in and backup that files. Next, popular cloud service providers: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Next, cloud security, data encryption, access control, compliance, shared responsibility model. Challenges and consideration: security concerns, data privacy, downtime and reliability, vendor locking. Real world user cases: Netflix, managing a rapidly growing user base and streaming demand for Netflix. It's a challenging task for the Netflix. Netflix migrated its entire infrastructure to Amazon Web Services to take advantage of its scalable and reliable cloud services. This is the solution for that. So they moved to the cloud, allowed Netflix to scale seamlessly, improve streaming quality and expand its global reach. This is the outcome for this. Next one is the NASA JPL, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, analyzing massive amount of data from space missions. It's a challenging task for the network centers. So NASA JPL uses Amazon Web Services for its Mars rover missions, storing and processing data in the cloud. It's the solution. What is the outcome for this means? Cloud computing enables NASA JPL to process and analyze data faster, accelerating scientific discoveries. Conclusion: cloud computing revolutionizes IT with scalable, cost-efficient solutions, fostering accessibility, innovation and remote collaboration. Despite its advantages, security and compliance challenges require vigilant consideration for seamless integration and data governance. As technology evolves, the cloud stands as a transformative force shaping the future of computing. Conclusion: cloud computing revolutionizes IT with scalable, cost-efficient solutions, fostering accessibility, innovation, and remote collaboration. Despite its advantages, security and compliance challenges require vigilant consideration for seamless integration and data governance. As technology evolves, the cloud stands as a transformative force shaping the future of computing. Thank you for watching this video. If you are first time watching our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye bye.